Common Idioms for Everyday Conversations, Volume 5. 1. Catch -22, a no-win situation. Sentence: you need experience to get a job, but a job to get experience. It's a catch-22. 2. Cry wolf, raise a false alarm. Sentence: he cried wolf too many times, no one believed him. 3. Get a grip, control yourself. Sentence: get a grip on your emotions before you act. 4. Hit the hay, go to bed. Sentence: I'm tired, so I'll hit the Hawaii now. 5. Icebreaker, something to start a conversation. Sentence: a joke is a great icebreaker in meetings. 6. Easy as pie, very easy. Sentence: solving that problem was easy as pie. 7. Chew the fat, have a casual chat. Sentence: we chewed the fat over coffee yesterday. 8. In hot water, in trouble. Sentence: he's in hot water for missing the deadline. 9. Break the ice, make people feel comfortable. Sentence: a fun game can break the ice at parties. 10. On cloud 9, extremely happy. Sentence: she's on cloud 9 after getting the job. 11. Cold shoulder, ignore someone. Sentence: she gave him the cold shoulder after their argument. 12. Over the moon, extremely happy. Sentence: he was over the moon after winning the prize. 13. Beg to differ, politely disagree. Sentence: I beg to differ. I think the plan will work. 14. Eat humble pie, admit you're wrong. Sentence: he had to eat humble pie after his mistake. 15. Hands are tied, can't do anything. Sentence: I'd help you, but my hands are tied by the rules. 16. Head over heels, deeply in love. Sentence: she's head over heels in love with him. 17. Dressed to kill, wearing impressive clothes. Sentence: she was dressed to kill at the party. 18. Get out of hand, become uncontrollable. Sentence: the kid's behavior got out of hand during the trip. 19. Fit as a fiddle, in good health. Sentence: after the rest, she felt fit as a fiddle. 20. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. Sentence: he missed the boat by not applying earlier. 21. Hair of the dog, drinking alcohol to cure a hangover. Sentence: he swore by the hair of the dog to feel better after a party. 22. Cut the mustard, meet expectations. Sentence: she didn't cut the mustard in the final interview. 23rd. Devil's advocate, argue for the sake of discussion. Sentence: I'm playing devil's advocate to test your argument. 24. In the same boat, facing the same problem. Sentence: we're in the same boat with these tight deadlines. 25. Bury the hatchet, end a conflict. Sentence: they decided to bury the hatchet after years of arguing. 26. Hold your horses, be patient. Sentence, hold your horses, we're not ready to leave yet. 27. No pain, no gain, success requires hard work. Sentence, he knows no pain, no gain, and trains daily. 2008. Grin and bear it, endure a tough situation. Sentence, she had to grin and bear it through the boring meeting. 29. On the same page, in agreement. Sentence, let's get on the same page before the presentation. 30. Beat a dead horse, keep discussing something settled. Sentence, stop beating a dead horse, we've already decided. 31. Go down in flames, fail spectacularly. Sentence, the project went down in flames due to poor planning. 32. Go the extra mile, make extra effort. Sentence, she always goes the extra mile for her clients. 33. Blow hot and cold, be inconsistent. Sentence, his mood blows hot and cold, so you never know what to expect. 34. Keep your chin up, stay optimistic. Sentence, keep your chin up, things will improve soon. 35. Clean as a whistle, completely clean or innocent. Sentence, after the deep cleaning, the house was clean as a whistle. 36. Come rain or shine, no matter the circumstances. Sentence, I'll be there come rain or shine, I promise. 37. Fly off the handle, lose your temper. Sentence, she flew off the handle when she heard the bad news. 38. Drop in the bucket, a small amount compared to what's needed. Sentence, that donation is just a drop in the bucket for the project's cost. 39. Pedal to the metal, go as fast as possible. Sentence, let's put the pedal to the metal and finish this task. 40. Have a green thumb, be good at gardening. Sentence, she has a green thumb, her garden is beautiful. 41. Fall off the wagon, return to bad habits. Sentence, he fell off the wagon and started smoking again. 42. Dragging your feet, delaying intentionally. Sentence, stop dragging your feet and finish the report. 43. By hook or by crook, by any means necessary. Sentence, she'll finish the project by hook or by crook. 44. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Sentence, we only see them once in a blue moon. 45. Bend over backwards, make a big effort to help. Sentence, he bent over backwards to make her feel welcome. 46. Go against the grain, do things differently. Sentence, her ideas go against the grain of traditional thinking. 47. Call a spade, be honest and direct. Sentence, let's call a spade, it was a mistake. 48. Needle in a haystack, something very hard to find. Sentence, finding my keys here is like a needle in a haystack. 49. At the 11th hour, at the last moment. Sentence. They submitted the project at the 11th hour.